Hey, it's BMF Media. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how I recreated a viral video for my product in just one coffee break using AI. So no camera, no editing timeline, no cry over CapCut transitions. This video is in collaboration with Topview AI, an AI-powered video creation platform that helps brands create product videos in minutes. If you ever thought, I wish I could just copy that ad style for my product, this is literally what we are doing today. Stick around until the end because I'll give you the exact prompts you can copy and paste to recreate your own viral style videos. So, super quick, what is Viral Video Agent and why should you care? Topview AI recently launched Viral Video Agent powered by Sora 2. You can turn basically any product images and reference clip into a fresh viral style video ads effortlessly with similar overall style and structure. You can either upload your own reference video or you can pick something from their massive library of viral videos and ads. The agent then uses AI to handle things like script writing and story structure, scene planning and editing, AI voiceover and captions, and even avatar-style presenters for product demos. In plain English, it's like having a tiny video production studio living inside your browser. Pretty much what I do here. So, Topview's own users report things like massively lower production costs and much faster content creation because the AI takes care of scripting, editing, and voiceover. Super cool, right? I know. And yes, it's built specifically for making marketing videos. Think TikTok ads, maybe Reels, short, UGC style content. All the stuff we know performs right now in 2025 and 2026 and beyond. Plus, you don't have to dance unless you really want to. In that case, please tag me. To make this super practical, we are going to walk through a realistic use case, step by step. We'll pretend I run a brand called BlendBuddy, a portable USB blender for smoothies on the go. Of course, you can swap this for your product later, so don't worry. The plan is pretty simple. Number one, find a viral morning smoothie or what I eat in a day style video. Number two, feed that into Viral Video Agent as our reference video. Number three, upload a product image of the BlendBuddy blender. Number four, use a prompt that tells the AI the following. Copy this style, not the exact content, make it original for my product. That's it. This tool is designed exactly for this, right? So it analyzes the pacing, the cuts, the camera angles, and the structure of the reference of the video, right? Then recreates a new video tailored to your product. How cool is that? So this means you are not just ripping off someone's ad, right? You are using AI to reverse engineer what works and rebuild it for your brand, for your product. That's totally legal and anyone can do it. Think of it like getting the test answers, but only for the format, not the actual questions, so the teacher can't catch you. Step number one, sign up Topview and open Viral Video Agent. Link in description. Go to Topview site and either log in or create a free account. They usually give you some starter credits so you can test things out. The tool is really good. I really suggest get a subscription right away. So once you are in, look for their Viral Video Agent section. This is where the magic happens. Now on your screen, you will see the following. A prompt box where you describe what you want, options to upload your product image, a way to add your reference video, and your aspect ratio options. Maybe you want vertical for TikTok, for Reels, horizontal for YouTube, etc. In step number two, choose your reference viral video. So for BlendBuddy, I'm looking at maybe a short vertical video, right? Morning routine or healthy habit vibe with a strong hook in the first 3 seconds, right? So you can either paste a link to a video you found or you can choose something from Topview's own library or trending ads and viral content. Now, once you've got it, load it into Viral Video Agent as the reference video. Step 3, upload your product image. So next, I'm going to upload a clean product image of BlendBuddy Blender. Make sure it has good lighting, no messy background, the product clearly visible. Topview uses this as the hero object. It builds the video around it. If you have lifestyle shoots too, even better, but a single clear product shot is enough to start. Step number 4, pick the right aspect ratio. Because we are going for TikTok and Reels, I'm going to choose 9:16 vertical. But if you are making, let's say, a YouTube ad or something for your website, you could switch to a horizontal or square format instead. Perfect. Now the cool part is you can later regenerate in other aspect ratio and reuse the same core idea everywhere. So now step 5, the prompt. This is the most important part. So now comes the part everyone overthinks, the prompt, right? Here's a simple structure that works. Who the video is for, what product it's selling, the vibe or style, what the AI should copy from the reference, and what must be unique. For our BlendBuddy example, my prompt looks like this. Recreate a 25-30-second vertical video for a portable blender called BlendBuddy, aimed at busy students and young professionals. Use the same overall pacing, shot style, and energy as the reference video, but make all scenes and wording original. Emphasize like quick healthy breakfast smoothies at home, maybe at work or at the gym. Add big bold captions and a clear call to action. Tap to get your BlendBuddy today. You will get a copy-paste version of this later, so don't worry about writing it down right now, okay? Okay, so now we are at step 6. Let the Viral Video Agent build your video, right? So once that's done, hit generate. Behind the scenes, Topview writes or refines the script, generate a storyboard, scene plan. It selects and edits clips in UGC style format. It even adds a voiceover in whatever language and tone you pick. And auto creates captions optimized for short form content. Basically, it's doing what an entire creative team would normally have to do, only without the Slack arguments. You know that one editor who disappears for 3 days and then sends final v7 final .mp4? This replaces that. Step 7, review and tweak. Now, please don't skip this part. It's very important. Watch the draft all the way through and check the following. The hook, are the first 3 seconds thumb stopping? The benefit, does it clearly show what your product actually solves? The call to action, is it obvious what viewers should do next? Brand fit, does it feel like you, not just generic AI? Inside Topview, you can tweak, you can add voiceover tone and language, you can add caption style and phrasing, on-screen text and offers, the length and pacing of the scenes. So all of this in Topview. So please make those edits once, and now you have a ready to run ad that looks and feels like the original, but is fully yours, legally yours. Step number 8, export and distribute. So finally, export your video in the right format and resolution. So you can upload to TikTok, to Reels and Shorts. You can test at least 2-3 variations of hooks or captions. You can watch which versions gives you the best click-through and view duration. The beauty here is that because it's so fast and cheap to generate, you can test ideas like crazy instead of spending weeks on one perfect video. Quick reality check. So no tool can guarantee virality, but Topview lets you stack the odds in your favor by copying things we already know works. here's a few pro tips. Number one, choose reference videos from your niche. Number two, pay attention to moments, not just visuals. Number three, make your first 3 seconds weirdly specific. Number four, localize with language and captions. And number five, iterate weekly, not yearly. If your first video doesn't blow up, that's fine, post another. And if that one flops too, blame the algorithm, obviously. But of course, posting weekly increases your chances to go viral. Good luck. Alright, to recap what we did today. So, we picked a fictional product, the BlendBuddy portable blender. We grabbed a viral style reference video. We fed both into Viral Video Agent along with a clear prompt. The AI handled the scripting, the editing, the voiceover, and the captions. We tweaked the details and exported a ready-to-run ad. A lot of work, huh? I know. So, if you want to try this yourself, I've put the exact prompts I used, a step-by-step checklist, down in the description, so you can copy-paste them into your own Viral Video Agent projects. You're welcome. If this was helpful, hit the like so more people can see it, and subscribe if you want more AI and marketing breakdowns like this one. And if you do recreate a viral video for your product, tag me or drop the link in the comments. I genuinely want to see what you've built. Thanks again to Topview AI for collaborating with me on this video. Thanks guys. Go check it out. Try Viral Video Agent at topview.ai. You're welcome. Link in description as usual. And go make something viral, and I'll see you guys in the next AI recommendation. Peace out.